Once you've logged into Poster My Wall, you'll see this screen. And well, you can look at everything here. You can see your earnings, blah blah blah. So mainly we're just here to learn how to create your first poster. So you'll come up here to create and then pick start from scratch. And yeah, you can select one of these templates, and maybe you want to create an Instagram post, so you'll click on Instagram post. It will open. Then you can either select to start search for stock photos, right? You can use a stock photo. You can either go for Getty Images that will charge you $2, or go for a free stock photo from Storyblocks. And maybe what can we search for? A mother? No, let's look for a moon, right? So there's so much stuff we can create using a moon. This is just a sample. So what do we go for? Ah yes, Halloween. Let's create a Halloween poster. Okay. Select crop. Right, and then now you can come and create a text. You can either use plain text or fancy text. Let's look at the fancy texts. So we have a wide array of fancy texts that you can use. We can use this flat one and include happy. Okay, write happy. Then you can add your fancy text. Can increase its size. Happy, you can increase, you can decrease the size. Then you can come here and duplicate it, right? Then you can change your text here, change it to Halloween. Increase the size of your text, place it down here, and you're done. That's just how easy it is to create a poster on Poster My Wall, right? You can just create it that fast. And then when you want to upload it, just go to File, click on Submit as Template, give it time to load, and yeah, you can just write happy Halloween, tag it as Halloween, click enter. Holiday, you can even write party. You can click on, well, category, place it under Halloween flyers, right? Flyer. Okay, and you can also maybe add party flyers. Under the category, click accept, click I acknowledge, and submit design template. So once you've done that, it has been submitted. So you'll just give it time and wait to see when and whether someone will actually click on it and buy it, purchase it, customize it, you know, all that kind of stuff, but you'll be paid in the end. So yeah, thank you for watching.